Hello guys, my name is Sanjay Kumar. Today I will show you how to install Maven and set up the environment variable. So here I will check ambient version. Maven is not installed in my machine, so I have downloaded already and keep it is in G drive. So here Apache Maven 3.5. So here is this is the Maven path which we have to set in an environment variable. So open environment variable, just click on the environment variable here, new am2 home, and we have to paste it here. Click just OK, and also we have to provide the Maven here, Maven path percentage am2 home percent. Just click on OK, and here we have to close this CMD. Again we have to open CMD and check Maven version. Here Maven is installed successfully. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Thank you.